Oh, look at here, folks. Hey, man. What in the world have they created? But nope, I'm taking a little time here just to kind of work with the audio and kind of figure some things out here. Let me adjust this sound. Yeah, there we go. Like I say, just trying to work to um, get used to the board, get used to kind of bringing things up, moving things around, just trying to figure things out. Definitely nothing wrong with that. Like I said, there's no shortcuts to proper prep. So take my time and get me a cup of coffee, sit here and do a little prep with you. I appreciate you joining me this afternoon. Nothing major going on. Like I say, I'm just sitting here just trying to work over the board and everything. Banners and hey man, I don't have a audio tech guy. So I gotta try to figure this stuff out myself. But that's the best way to do it though. That's the best way to do it. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. I'm back. Like I say, I'm just trying to figure it out. Just trying to make things smooth. Hey, check this animated logo out. Let's tell me what you think. Pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Oh man, I'm telling you. I'm kind of enjoying this other side of it. I've been admiring a lot of guys, a lot of podcasters, a lot of guys who got shows that's getting out there doing what I've been doing. And I said, man, I wish I had the time. I wish I could come out the bike and really just share my journey with everybody. And so the opportunity is here. And that's what I want to do. I'm still going to ride. I'm still going to ride. But of course, health wise I got to make smart decisions now. I'm not healing like I used to heal as fast as I used to heal, but definitely got to make some wiser decisions. And part of that wiser decision is saying, hey, look, it's time for you to slow down a little bit, KSolo. It's time for you to share your experience, your journey with everybody, and hopefully inspire them to want to get out and ride. And it would be great. So that's what I'm doing, folks. That's what I'm doing. Um, just trying to just transition. It is what it is. It is what it is. I preach that. Riding 100,000 miles in a year, that takes its toll on you. Riding up the Dalton Highway, it takes its toll on you. And so, with that, um, I'm starting to feel it. Them cold nights, them cold days, you're riding in the cold. Being a biker, and it doesn't matter if you got heated gear on, because if that cold air gets in on that joint and that joint get inflammation in it, that's arthritis right there, because later on in the year, it's just gonna get to you. So really, really buckle up. Don't try to be all hardcore and that crazy shit, man, because it's gonna come back and it's gonna have you remembering those times that you didn't take care of yourself, and it's gonna painfully remind you. So with that, you know what I'm saying? If you long distance riding, if you out there getting you on the back roads, um, exposure to the weather, man, be very cautious of that. Even the sun, be very cautious of it, because um, it will come back to have an impact on your life. And I want everybody to have a joyful life. I believe in positivity. I always try to preach positivity. Um, things happen in your life, people that you meet, people that come into your life, in and out your life. Um, had an old friend of mine. He ended up making sergeant major, and he um, told me, he said, "Hey man, when I come to schools and stuff like that, man, I hang out with people, I meet people." He said, "But then when I leave school, it's just it's that." And that's just one of those things that reinforced my thinking. So it's just one of those things, man, but I'm up here just rambling, man. I just using the photo, I'm just rambling. But like I say, I'm up here just working on the soundboard. I get the soundboard, got to get it up and running. Going through some stuff, trying to record, trying to pre-record some stuff, trying to bring you a good product. Um, I believe in quantity over quantity, over quality, quality over quantity, quality over quantity, because I think and I feel that if Logic and I put together a good show where we really sit down, take our time to do our homework, interview our guests, and try to bring out the best in our guests. And I'm new to this. I am new to this. I've been a biker and a soldier, so I am new to this side of things. Trying to bring that out of people. You know what I'm saying? That you say you want to share this, share this. And so we may go off script a little bit. We may get off topic, but it's all to just kind of tie it in to get a better understanding of this riding thing, man. Um, and I say thing, and I know M1 gonna get me. I know M1 gonna get me, man. M1 said, "This thing of ours." I miss that cat, man. I do. I miss that cat. But just trying to help people um enjoy the essence of motorcycle riding, the enthusiasm about it. A lot of people will get in a club and they'll ride for that club. I mean, they will ride or die, ride to the end for that club. 10 solid years, ride for that club and miss everything in between. In between, running from here, running from there, never stopping to take the time to just admire some of the things that make America beautiful, make the country beautiful, the scenery, the scenic byways, man. It's beautiful. So that's what I want to do. That's what we want to do. And then to share my journeys. Um, I got a lot of footage. I have a lot of footage of stuff that I was recording and taking pictures of that I just wish I could share it with you. And now with this platform, I will be able to do that. And so, it's never about thumping my chest. But if I show it to you, I want to try to inspire you to get out there and go ride it. And maybe you'll see, like I say, now I see what Solo meant. I know what he meant. I know his feeling because you had that same feeling. And it's incredible. It's incredible. But man, I don't know why I've turned this thing on. I hope everybody had a great day today. It's Friday, September the 20th. It's about 7:30. Um, yeah, also doing a mic check. So that's what I got. I wonder where my dog at. I wonder where my dog is. Hey, folks, hold on one second. Hold on one second, folks. I'm gonna see something right quick. I'm gonna see something right quick. Because all this is just a test. We just trying to. Well, I am. I'm just trying to figure things out. But hey, while I'm trying to get Logic to come on, I'm gonna do this because I think it's kind of cool. Come on now. Come on now. Give me something. Give me something. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. What in the world are you thinking? me see if he picks up. Let me see if he picks up. I don't know. He's probably busy. But let me try one more. Let me try one more thing. Bear with me. Okay. Hold on, folks. Hold on. Hold on. At least I'm doing this now, right? Not live on the air. Be like, what in the world Solo doing? Like Solo need to get some subscribers so that so that he can get a producer to kind of put this stuff together. You know, motorcycling is a great thing, man. It's great. It brings people together in a way that would probably never even been possible, you know. It's incredible. So I'm gonna try to get maybe he'll come on. Maybe he'll come on. Okay, I just sent him the link, folks. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. Hey, folks, tell me what you think of the backdrop. That's my wall right there, and I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Uh, got a big surprise coming up for you, though. We got something in the works. Um, hopefully, can't give it away. I'm not going to give it away, but we got something in the works that you guys are going to be like, okay, 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 okay. We see where you're going. We see where Riding with KSolo the podcast is going. We know where y'all going with it. We know where y'all going with it. Okay. Oh man, I don't think I can get him. So I'm just gonna just go ahead and get off here and continue to peck 1 2 3, peck 1 2 3, space. Man, I tried to take typing in school. That was terrible. Wow, that was terrible. Yeah. Mhm. Boom, boom, boom. And then see, but I don't do that. But I can do that though. Okay, all of that's still the same. Ah, I know what it is. I know what I didn't do. So I need to present. We're going. We're going to. Yes. Oh nope. Cancel. I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. And I hope I don't give this away, folks. I hope I don't give this away. Nope, that's not the one. That's not the one. Okay. Did I do it? Folks, I don't know what I'm doing up here. Okay, now that's my yard back. But I need to do this. Ah, that would work too. That'll work too. But I still need to go back over here. And I need to go here. I need to go there. Now I'm coming back over here. Ta-da! Oh man, folks. I'm telling you right now. Hey, Riding with K Solo the podcast. Coming to you on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time on YouTube, Riding with K Solo the podcast with Logic. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I just been here just running my mouth tonight, just trying to figure some stuff out. Hey, I appreciate you even just tuning in to hear what I got to say. I try to get my partner on, but he may be doing some family things. And hey, man, shout out to my brother Logic. I could not do this without him. I mean, give me a second, folks. Give me a second. I'm telling you right now that the higher being, the Almighty, and whatever you want to say, Almighty is, Almighty brought us together to do this, to do this, to get the love, passion, enthusiasm, um, the culture, uh, the essence, the competition, the backgrounds, the country, the love for motorcycling, Harley-Davidson, whatever you ride, whatever brand, but riding. And I don't care if you ride a little bit or a lot, but if you take journeys, if you capture moments, that's where we want to highlight you. That's where we want to get you on. And I'm telling you, Almighty put Logic and I together to bring you this, because it's like I had the vision. I had a vision. I said, this is what I want to do. I can't ride the Hoka. So what I want to do is I want to take the Hoka, share the Hoka motorcycle challenge with all my followers, all the people that follow me on social media or whatever the case may be. And I had already had a YouTube channel that was dormant, basically dormant. I didn't use it. I posted a couple of things up there when me and Reef went down to Mexico, did the ride with Dave and Todd. I put that up there. I put a couple of little things up there. Did a couple of interviews with some riders, Pop Off, Marvin Jr., Lil T, my nephew, just a couple of people. But I mean, it was like, boom, it was like a light came on. It said, hey, look, this is it. This will introduce your voice to the world. This, because people didn't hear me talk. I didn't talk. I don't, and so I look at writing as therapy. And I said, do I really want to share my therapy sessions with other people? That's how it came to me. And I'm telling you, Almighty sent Logic. I picked up the phone. I said, Logic, I said, hey, man, you want to do this podcast with me, man? And he said, yeah, but I reached out to Hop. Because Hop was like, I knew he wanted to do it. I wanted to do it. But we ended up not being able to do it for whatever reason. And I knew Hop, he'd ridden the Hoka before me. So he was experienced. He taught me how to ride a Hoka. He don't believe it though, but the whole time that he was in front of me, I was learning from him. I was taking notes. But Logic, man, he came on and we got the right mix with Masonic Brothers of the Masonic body. And so when we say brothers, we could be referring to each other as Highway Brothers, or we could be referring to each other as Masonic Brothers. And he's well educated, man, well spoken guy, passion. He has a lot of passion. His energy is because of his passion. You see him get up there, man, and he brings it. He brings it out in me. And so our mix is good, and we are excited to be doing this. We are excited to share our journeys and with you. Like I say, I look at it as a therapy session. So I'm gonna share my therapy session with you, and you're gonna be like, "Wow, man, what in the world you riding in the middle of the night, all through the night for?" But yeah, we're gonna share it. Like I said, I have plenty of footage. Uh, Logic has plenty of footage, and I think you're gonna enjoy when we bring it to you. It's gonna give you a chance to to really get to know us and understand our passion for motorcycle riding, for getting on the back roads, for camping, because I camp, for camping, for stopping and putting your feet in the running stream, going riding up to the top of Pikes Peaks, you know what I'm saying, or Beartooth Pass, getting snowed on. So we're gonna share that with you, and I really and truly hope you stay with us. Stay with us because we're looking at the same time, we're looking to bring you on. We're looking to bring that unsung rider on. We're looking to bring that next legend on that's gonna go out and inspire other people to get out and want to ride. We have to do that. We have to do that. When you become an OG, you're considered an encyclopedia of a club, or you are knowledge, or you whatever your knowledge. So w- as someone who's been out there, my job now is to inspire others, really inspire others by sharing my journey with you to get out there and ride and enjoy and see this country. Um, so yeah, Logic and I, that's what we want to do with the podcast. I really wanted to bring my brother on tonight. I sent him, like I say, he's probably doing some family stuff. Uh, he may be even doing his show because he has a ministry show that he does. And that's another great thing. You won't hear cussing. You won't hear profanity. You won't hear anything negative. That you could invite your family to come sit around the television and watch this show, watch this podcast, because that's how we're gonna bring it to you. And we don't need to 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 share negativity, use profanity. We don't, because it's for the love and the passion that we have for riding our motorcycles. And that's what we want to try to inspire people to do, just like my motto. Aspire to inspire. And if you do that, you will definitely be legendary. So look, folks, I got work to do. I have work to do. But hey, one more time before I go, I want y'all to see this because I kind of like it. I don't like it, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I hope you like it too. But hey, all right, folks, I'm out of here. Take care. Y'all have a good night.